Hello, estimators. So, on demand, now today we are going to do the waterproofing as per Australian standards. As you know, that waterproofing is the protective membrane which generally used in showers, bathrooms, and on suits and laundries and powder rooms and all of that, or any external wet areas. Okay, and the code for this is 3740 for the domestic wet areas and 4654 for waterproofing the external above the ground use. As you guys knows that waterproofing generally we do it on the first floor of a double story home. Okay, where like where we need, suppose let's jump to the drawing. Okay, in this drawing, like in ground floor we don't do waterproofing. Okay, we do the waterproofing only on the first floor because there are floor joists beneath this. Okay, this whole structure is of wood and there is a chances of leakage of water from this side. So we use that this is a shower area, and from there we generally use like in waterproofing we use that collars, okay, or leak control French in this, and on this area, this is a tiled area. In here we use the waterproofing. Waterproofing as per NCC requirements, it should be done like 100 mm above the sides. Like if this is a side, then waterproofing should be done 100 mm above this floor level. Okay, from sides. For any of the waterproofing, if you done, that should be 100 mm above the side of the corner. Okay, and similarly, these things like screeding and all in that we do in this. So, like we are here. Uh, Here is the we do the waterproofing in not only tile shower area, we do the screening also. That's why I told you if you want to calculate that waterproofing, then you need to calculate this area as a waterproofing area, but this area as a waterproofing plus screening area, because waterproofing will be done generally in this area with there the where walls attached to the three sides of this, either three sides, like this is a front only. Okay, if there is front and return like this, then there are two sides of waterproofing the tile shower area. Those walls who are attached with this shower area, like if it is attached two sides, like front and return shower, it attached to two sides, but in front only this attached to three sides. So we take the waterproofing to these three sides to the height of 2 meter. Okay, from the floor to the ceiling up to the height of 2 meter, the waterproofing will be done, including this floor area, and the screening is also done here. So there are different things we are taken in this. We take the square meter area of waterproofing. We take the square meter area of spreading, and we also take the square meter area of the wall waterproofing, which we have to do in this area, including there should be install of leak control flange so that there should be no leakage. Okay. Similarly, we take do in this area. Okay, we take the waterproofing like this, and this is the screening plus waterproofing. Okay, and in if you check some other drawings, there are balconies. Okay, generally they have balconies, alfrescos, and porch. Generally, the porch area and the alfresco area in the ground floor, we use if we use tile, then we have to screed that area so that water would not stop anywhere on the tile. We do screeding. That also comes in under waterproofing. And for balcony area, like in this example, we don't have balcony, but if you have any balcony area, you use Cyclone as your base and all in that. But still, we need waterproofing for the tiles if we need in the balcony. We generally do tiling in the balcony. We used to waterproof balcony area. Plus, we use to like I told you earlier, that screed that area so that the water should be gone through pipe which is attached to the channel grate of the balcony. Okay, because sometimes the balconies always have like channel great channel for flowing of water out of their area. Okay, and then if we install like great channels, sometimes there are great channels over the shower area. Like this shower area should have great channels and all and that. So we use these things in the waterproofing items. Like if there is a spa, just an example, like this is a spa. This is there is a frame in the spa. Okay, this is not a freestanding spa. It's a framed spa, or you can say insect spa. Then a frame need to be built over this area. We need to calculate this whole area to be waterproof. Okay, like this one is your whole area, and from this you need to do the surface waterproofing of this area. Then you need to deduct this area from here to here and remain rest of the area. Sorry, I haven't done it so precisely, but we will use like this will be insert in this frame. Then on this we have to do that waterproofing plus in the standing part. If you check in the standing part of this insert will be 500 or 400 or 300, some sort of the frame has been standard over here. This area is also need to be waterproof. This is only we take in the occasion of if we take any like spa bath where we need a podium to hold that. Okay, and I told you that how you can do the waterproofing and all of that. And one more thing, we go to like this shower wall we already taken. Now, if we have any niche over here, that's need to be waterproof. Plus, if this there is any window, so that water should not be leaked from any window side or any of the niche side to any side of the building. So we need like if in the washroom, in this washroom, okay, there is a window. This need to be waterproof, including if there is any is there any of that niche, any window niche or any shower niche is there. Okay, this shower niche, suppose if there is a shower niche over here, that need to be waterproof. Plus, this window also need to be waterproof. And we use the shower base angle. Okay, this generally the shower base angle we use like for this part. This is the shower part. Okay, here we use shower base angle. Okay, shower basically this will divide that area. Okay, where we put the base angle for this place. Like this is the front only, then there is only base angle will come on this side, the exposed area. Okay, and the similarly this is front and return shower area. Then the a second, then this perimeter will be taken as your shower base angle. We take the shower base angle for this area. Okay, waterproofing the like if we have a brick retaining wall, then we waterproof that. Okay, like we use membrane for brick retaining waterproofing. That is some sort of advanced version of the waterproofing we use for any retaining walls if we use in there. We will talk about this later. Okay, right now we have this only. Now we have I have explained you all this thing. If you need this sheet, you can comment me. I will give you this sheet. That is my created sheet. And please subscribe and like my channel. If you have any questions regarding waterproofing, please do comment. I'm happy to help you in this. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.